Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore a word in Thai that you'll hear all the time but might not fully understand. Let's find out all its meanings and how to use it perfectly in any situation. Ready? Let's go!
เดี๋ยว เดี๋ยว
Primarily indicates a short time, similar to in a moment or soon. It's used to express that something will happen shortly or to request a brief pause. When used alone, it can mean wait or hold on. It's a casual way to ask someone to pause for a moment.
รอเดี๋ยว รอเดี๋ยว
Means wait a moment. Here
รอ
means wait and
เดี๋ยว
emphasizes waiting for a short time.
รอแป๊บหนึ่ง รอแป๊บหนึ่ง
means wait just a bit or wait a short moment.
เดี๋ยวแป๊บ เดี๋ยวแป๊บ
means just a sec. This is a casual, shortened form, perfect for informal situations when you want to say, give me a second.
เดี๋ยวก่อน เดี๋ยวก่อน
means wait a minute. This phrase is used to stop someone temporarily, like saying wait first.
เดี๋ยวนะคะ เดี๋ยวนะคะ
means wait a second. This is more polite and often used by women to soften the request, similar to saying, please wait a moment. If your friend starts walking away without realizing you want to say something more, you can call out.
เดี๋ยวเดี๋ยว
which is like saying, wait. If someone is about to make a decision quickly, you can use
เดี๋ยวเดี๋ยว
to ask them to pause and think. This expression is often used in casual situations and can be repeated several times for added emphasis, depending on the urgency or the need to stop someone. When it is used to talk about something happening soon, it indicates that the action will take place in the near future. For example,
เดี๋ยวมา เดี๋ยวมา
means I'll be back soon. It's like saying, I'm stepping out but will return shortly.
เดี๋ยวรู้เอง เดี๋ยวรู้เอง
means you'll find out soon by yourself. It's used when someone is curious and you tell them they'll understand or learn about it soon. If you're on your way to meet a friend and they call you asking, where are you? You can reply with
เดี๋ยวถึง เดี๋ยวถึง
means I'll be there soon. It's a casual and friendly way to say that you're on your way and almost there. While it indicates that something will happen soon or shortly,
เดี๋ยวค่อย
shifts the focus to actions that will take place at a more appropriate time, emphasizing thoughtful planning over urgency. For example,
เดี๋ยวค่อยทำ เดี๋ยวค่อยทำ
means I'll do it later. This phrase is used when you're planning to do something later, not to avoid it, but because it's not urgent or there are other things to do first.
เดี๋ยวค่อยไป เดี๋ยวค่อยไป
means we'll go later. This indicates that you'll go at a later, more suitable time.
เดี๋ยวค่อยคุยกัน เดี๋ยวค่อยคุยกัน
We'll talk later. You're not avoiding the conversation, just postponing it to a more convenient time.
เดี๋ยวนี้ เดี๋ยวนี้
is another handy variation. It can mean right now or recently, depending on where you place it in a sentence. If it's at the beginning, like
เดี๋ยวนี้พูดภาษาไทยเก่งขึ้นนะ เดี๋ยวนี้พูดภาษาไทยเก่งขึ้นนะ
means recently, you've been speaking Thai much better. If it's at the end, like
ปล่อยฉันเดี๋ยวนี้ ปล่อยฉันเดี๋ยวนี้
means let go of me right now or
หยุดเดี๋ยวนี้ หยุดเดี๋ยวนี้
Stop it right now. It's all about context. Pretty cool, right? If someone is dragging their feet, you can tell them.
เราต้องไปเดี๋ยวนี้ เราต้องไปเดี๋ยวนี้
Which means we have to go now. No time for delay. Lastly, it can act like a warning or consequence. It's like saying or else or otherwise. For example,
ไม่กินอาหารเดี๋ยวผอมตายนะ ไม่กินอาหารเดี๋ยวผอมตายนะ
means if you don't eat, you'll get too skinny and die. This use of
เดี๋ยว
serves as a warning about what will happen if the action isn't taken.
ไม่ตั้งใจเรียนเดี๋ยวเรียนไม่จบนะ ไม่ตั้งใจเรียนเดี๋ยวเรียนไม่จบนะ
means if you don't pay attention to your studies, you might not graduate. In this context,
เดี๋ยว
is used as a warning, indicating that a consequence will follow if the first part of the sentence, not paying attention to studying, continues.
ไม่ตั้งใจเรียน ไม่ตั้งใจเรียน
means not paying attention to studying or not focusing on your studies.
เรียนไม่จบ เรียนไม่จบ
means not finishing the studies or not graduating.
รีบไปเถอะเดี๋ยว จะไม่ทัน รีบไปเถอะเดี๋ยว จะไม่ทัน
means hurry up or you won't make it in time, or hurry or you'll be late.
ระวังเดี๋ยวล้ม ระวังเดี๋ยวล้ม
means be careful, you might fall.
เดี๋ยว
In this context serves as a cautionary indicator, suggesting that the action, falling, is likely to happen if caution is not exercised. It's similar to saying, be careful, or you'll end up falling in English. So there you have it.
เดี๋ยว
Is a super versatile word that you can use to say, wait, soon, later, and even or else. It all depends on the context. I hope this makes things clearer and you can start using it like a pro. If you want to learn more about fun and useful Thai words, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and see you soon.